Shenzhen Reliable Laser Tech Company Limited, set up in Shenzhen City since 2015. 30 minutes to Guangzhou or Hong Kong by high-speed train. We supposed to be global machine makers' preferred consultant. We can supply all the parts, design, and tech, direct them to manufacture, repair, upgrade, and use their own brand machines. We have directed customers from Korea, Vietnam, India, Thailand, Indonesia, Turkey, Greece, Serbia, Croatia, Germany, Poland, Ukraine, Russia, Brazil made their own machines. Mainly supply fiber laser cutting machine parts, fiber laser welding machine parts, fiber laser marking machine parts, UV laser marking machine parts, CO2 laser marking machine parts, CO2 laser cutting parts, oscillating knife cutting machine parts. We cooperate with famous brand companies in the laser world, ensuring high quality and reliability. We have most of the products in stock and can deliver right away when they confirm the order. We have our own DHL account, ensuring quick and safe transportation. We have set up CHC chat group to offer online services to global customers. There are a huge number of great technicians in this group from China, Vietnam, Greece, Russia, Ukraine, Brazil, who can answer your questions and solve your problems timely. We have a stable sales and tech group. They are able to provide reasonable advice to the customers.